Hi there, my name is Nikki from the Ask Eddie team, and in today's tutorial we will be speaking on the North American Industry Classification System, or NAICS. So let's dive in. According to the United States Census Bureau, the North American Industry Classification System, or NAICS, is the standard used by federal statistical agencies in classifying business establishments for the purpose of collating, analyzing, and publishing statistical data that is related to the U.S. business economy. Now, a NAICS code is a series of codes in the NAICS system that tell procurement agencies what industry your business is in. So the first step you should take as a business owner is to determine the primary business activity and the revenue producing lines of your business venture. Let's take a look at the importance of a NAICS code. Now, a NAICS code is meant to describe the primary business activity, which is why businesses that have more than one revenue producing line of business can attribute more than one NAICS to their business. NAICS codes provides information about your company's market sector and the industries in which it operates. Now, these codes also give you insight into how your business can best target customers and markets. That is why it is essential to be as specific as possible when selecting this code. And it's even more important to make sure that you select the correct code the first time round. Now, another benefit is that you can determine whether your business is considered a small business and can therefore reap the benefits of small business set-aside contracts. It's important to note that the NAICS code system is self-assigning, so you want to make sure you pick up the most relevant code for your business. Each valid NAICS code is 6 digits long, with each digit representing a final level of detail within. So if we have to take a look at the present system, digits 1 and 2 designate the economic sector. Digit 3 designates the subsector. Digit 4 designates the industry group. Digit 5 designates the NAICS industry, and digit 6 designates the national industry. Now, the 6th digit allows the 3 countries to participate in the NAICS system, which are the United States, Canada, and Mexico, to include country-specific detail. So what are high-risk NAICS codes? High-risk NAICS codes can be the difference between your business getting funding or not. But what are they? Now, high-risk NAICS codes and your business. Let's take a look into that now. There are certain codes associated with industries that pass more risk than others. So if you happen to choose one of these high-risk codes unnecessarily, you may get a funding denial. If you want to understand how the system works, you can choose, or you need to choose, the best code the first time round. So let's give you some examples of some high-risk industries. These include casinos, pawn shops, liquor stores, automotive dealers, and yes, even some restaurants. So remember, select the right NAICS code. It is very important to the startup point of your business journey. It can determine the risk of lending and more as you take on the venture to secure funding for your business. Now, to determine the appropriate NAICS code for your business entity, kindly visit the official site by clicking on the link in our description box, the website link, or contact the Census Bureau at 1-888-756-2427. Or you can go ahead and email them at naics@census.gov. Now, if you'd like to read our article about NAICS codes, please feel free to check out the link in the description box below. And if this information has been helpful to you in any way, please go ahead and give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so that you can be notified whenever we post any new videos. And as always, we wish you the best in your journey to success.